Integrated Final Project, BST330, Overview of Building and Technology Design Principles. Building. 1. To create safe, functional and aesthetically pleasing built environments. 2. To ensure buildings meet user needs, comfort and well-being. 3. To support sustainability goals and reduce environmental impact. 4. To stay aligned with evolving technologies and industry standards. At the end of the module, Module Learning Outcome. MLO1. Explain fundamental principles of building design and technology. MLO2. Identify and analyze key building elements, services and facilities. MLO3. Apply environmental control systems, smart technologies and sustainable state keys in design solutions. Module Content Outline. 1. Building Concept and Design Principles. 2. Building Elements. Substructure. Superstructure. 3. Building Services and Facilities. 4. Special Technology and Features. 5. Green and Sustainable Initiatives. Introduction. What is a building? A building is a structure with a roof and walls, constructed to provide shelter, space for activities, and support for human needs, residential, commercial, institutional, or industrial, high-rise buildings. Defined as buildings typically over 35 meters or more than 12 stories, varies by country. Require advanced structural systems, vertical transportation, lifts, and fire, life safety measures. Examples: Petronas Twin Towers, Merdeka 118, Burj Khalifa. 1. Building Concept and Design Principles. In this section, students should describe the building's design characteristics, special features and overall architectural concept, including any relevant company or organizational background. What are the essential criteria to be considered? Functionality. Ensuring design meets user needs and purpose. Aesthetics. Cultural, social and contextual considerations. Safety and accessibility. Compliance with codes and universal design. Sustainability and efficiency. Minimizing environmental impact. Example 1. Menara Merdeka 118. Menara Merdeka 118 is the second tallest in the world after Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, 828 meters, tallest in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Location. At Jalan Hang Jebat, Kuala Lumpur. Covers an area of 16 hectares, 40 acres. 50% of the project site consists of Stadium Merdeka and Stadium Negara. Design. Reflects the image of Malaysia's first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Hajj, raising his hand while proclaiming, _Merdeka_, on the 31st of August 1957. First tower in Malaysia to achieve Platinum Green certification through International Sustainability Certification. Prestigious WELL certification. Inspiration of the name, because it was built in a historical area, namely between Stadium Merdeka and Stadium Negara. Number of floors in the tower building. Example 2. Burj Khalifa, Burj Dubai. The design was inspired by the desert flower Hymenocallis. Architects also incorporated patterns from Islamic architecture. Building elements, substructure to superstructure. Describe a detailed description of each building element that has been constructed in the building. State, specification, size, material, quality of work. Substructure. 1. Site preparation. 2. Piling, foundation. 3. Basements. 4. Ground slabs. Superstructure. 1. Frame structure. 2. Walls, external and internal. 3. Floors and stairs. 4. Openings and roofs. Joinery fittings. 1. Signage. 2. Fittings. Internal finishes. 1. Wall finishes. 2. Floor finishes. 3. Ceiling finishes. 3. Building services and facilities. Provide detailed descriptions of building services and facilities, including photographs, materials, and workmanship quality. Building services and facilities. Mechanical, electrical and plumbing. ICT and building automation. Fire protection and security systems. Mechanical transportation systems, lifts, escalators and travelators. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Universal accessibility facilities, walkway, landscaping etc. 4. Special technology and features. Provide a detailed description of each special technology and feature of the building, including photos, system components, and the sequential process of the supply system, e.g., electrical supply system. Special technology. Features. Smart homes and intelligent building systems. Smart living environment, comfort, convenience, energy efficiency. Security and surveillance technologies. Enhanced safety and monitoring. Disaster-resilient technologies, earthquake, flood, fire. Resilience against natural disasters. Modular and prefabricated construction. Faster construction and flexibility in design. Building automation system, BA. Automated control and monitoring of building services. Computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Efficient maintenance planning and tracking. Energy management system, EMS. Optimized energy use and sustainability. Any special technology. Example: building automation system. Building management system or a building control system is a system that contains various electric, electronic and mechanical systems throughout an establishment. Building automation systems are primarily used to manage the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, in an establishment, and are also used to manage lighting, security, and other construction systems. It provides systems to communicate across platforms, software, and languages. 5. Green and sustainable initiatives. Provide a detailed description of special characteristics that reflect green and sustainable initiatives, such as rainwater or wudu, harvesting, solar panels, natural ventilation, and natural lighting. This section shall also explain the relevant GBI criteria and the building's rating status. Key points. 1. Energy efficient. 2. Water efficiency. 3. Indoor environmental quality. 4. Green certifications. LEED, BREEAM, GBI. 5. Innovation and other elements. 6. Sustainable site planning. 7. Materials and resources. Example: GBI pillars. Features: energy efficiency, solar panels, photovoltaic system, LED lighting and energy-saving appliances. Energy management system, EMS. Water efficiency, rainwater harvesting system, wudu, water recycling for landscape use. Low-flow sanitary fittings. Indoor environmental quality, natural ventilation design, maximized natural lighting, daylighting strategies. Use of non-toxic, low VOC materials. Materials and resources. Use of recycled or locally sourced materials. Modular, prefabricated construction to reduce waste. Waste management and recycling facilities. Sustainable site planning. Green landscaping, native or drought-tolerant plants. Permeable pavement for stormwater management. Bicycle parking and pedestrian-friendly design. Innovation and other elements. Smart monitoring system for energy and water usage. Vertical greenery, green roof. Any unique sustainable feature, e.g., passive cooling strategies. Resources available. Let's recap. 1. Introduction. 2. Building concept and design principles. Functionality. Aesthetics. Safety and accessibility. Sustainability and efficiency. 3. Building elements. Substructure. Superstructure. Joinery fittings. Internal finishes. 4. Building services and facilities. M&E, plumbing. ICT and building automation. Fire protection and security systems. Mechanical transportation systems. HVAC. Accessibility facilities. 5. Special technology and features. 6. Green and sustainable initiatives. 6 GBI's pillars. 7. Module complete.